This was episode 1 of me trying different hobbies. Hello, you lovely people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shrishti and I make beauty and lifestyle content here on YouTube. And we do have a lot of fun here, so please stay till the end. So today we're going to be doing a really fun activity which I have been meaning to do for a long time, and finally the day has come. The stuff has arrived and we are going to be doing we're going to be creating charm bracelets. Like, I have been wanting to do it for the longest time and I didn't have like the courage, not the courage, I didn't have the time to do it. So we finally found time. I am going to be gifting one to my sister, one to my best friend, and one to my sister-in-law. So yeah, we're just going to make them and we'll customize them a little bit to their preferences so that they can wear this on their daily basis. So I got like pretty charms from this website. I don't know what the name was, I don't remember. I'll just put a screen recording of the website here so that you can go and grab these. And I really love the quality of them, and this is not a paid promotion, this is all like purchased by myself. Yeah. I don't know why my brain starts buffering in the middle of like talking. Okay, so anyway, I was supposed to film this like a week ago, but like an idiot that I am, I accidentally ordered like the largest size of jump rings. That is like the main crucial part of making bracelets. So then I ordered another set of jump rings which were like tiny. So these are the tiny ones, and this is what I got. Look at the difference in sizes. How can someone make this mistake? Okay, anyway, I was really pissed off because I was seated in a aesthetic environment. I was doing my own stuff, and then I realized कि ये तो बड़ा साइज का है and it won't fit the bracelet, and like the stupid person I am. Okay, enough of this rant. Anyway, I got like silver and gold jump rings, and I have pretty charms. I'll show you one or two. This is one of them. This little heart charm. And I got this charm, cherry charm. It is really cute. This starfish one, this is like a gem star charm. See, my words now never got some in silver because my best friend, she wears silver a lot, and I wanted to like make this customized to her preference so that she can wear it, she can actually wear it. So this is like an angel, a BFF. I don't know if you can see it, it's like a BFF. So this is what my setup looks like. I have a lot of like bunch of bracelets. These are the bracelets that I'm going to be using. So this, and that one is silver one. So I have my jump rings here and my bracelets here. These are the charms that I showed you earlier, and I have set them up like this is the charm for my sister-in-law, this is for myself, and that is for my sister, and that is for my best friend. So I've just set it up so that it is easier for me to just just put the jump rings in and you can like wear them.
A few moments later.
So in the middle, I'm going to put an angel which represents me in her life, and just like our bond for each other. and I'm very excited to see if like she'll like it, because she is the one that can like wear bracelets, that who wears bracelet very often, and I just want to see her reaction on it. So camera did not want to hear me yap and decided to cut me off. But I was just saying that gifts like these say that, like, I mean something to you, you mean something to me, and like I did put in some time to make this, and every time they wear this they'll just think of me. So that's just a way of me to keep them like updated, that yeah, I do care for you. Okay, I just need to shut up my mouth and start like concentrating so that I don't fuck this up. So guys, the silver one is done. This looks amazing. I attached like 4 charms, and this is how it will be looking like on her. So this is how the charms will look on her, and I think it looks amazing. This is your sign to really get into the hobbies that you were once doing in your childhood and channel your inner child and heal that inner child, and don't forget about that inner child. Okay, enough ज्ञान. But yeah guys, sometimes जो चीज़ें हमको पसंद होती है करने के लिए कभी कभी कर लेनी चाहिए. इट्स नॉट लाइक बहुत बचकांड है या बहुत कुछ वैसा है, बट कभी कभी कर लेना चाहिए. दैट्स ऑल दैट आई वांट टू से. Guys, troubles please. I am going to be revealing my bracelet. So 1, 2, and 3. Look at that! It looks so cute. She had to do it right now. My mother. Okay. Look at this. This is so cute. I am like dying to wear this. So let's just try it on and show it to you guys. This is how it looks on my hand. It looks so pretty. Very pretty, guys. So I'm already wearing my bracelet. I'll just you can use this as a stack. It looks so cute. I am not kidding. This looks so cute. So this is mine, and then this is for my sister. This is for my sister-in-law. I think this is like too far from this. I'm just going to fix that in a while. But other than that, and this is for my best friend. All of them look super cute, and I'm going to go tonight and give them to my best friend, and I'll just let you know how she reacts and how she likes the whole thing. I'm going to be trying a lot of hobbies this month, and this was episode 1 of me trying different hobbies. So I'm very excited. I hate this when this comes like okay. So I'm super excited to be like continuing this series, because this is just a way of me like enjoying life, because we get caught up, like too caught up in this whole like race of studies and work and career and everything, that we forget that we do have a life that we can make use of. So that was it. I made these cute bracelets. I'll put like a reaction of her. So I'll meet you when I get there and I meet her. हाँ ठीक है, खोल.
Wow, so cute. ये सब कुछ तू डाल के
हाँ.
कैसे बनाई है?
और हर एक चीज का मीनिंग है. BFF तो पता ही है.
BFF पता है. बटरफ्लाई क्या होता है?
मतलब बटरफ्लाई क्योंकि तेरे को पसंद है, हार्ट बटरफ्लाई ये सब.
ये डॉल.
एंजल क्योंकि मैं तेरी एंजल हूँ.
Okay. Sunflower.
फ्लावर क्योंकि तू एक फ्लावर है. प्रिटी लाइक अ फ्लावर.
बहुत अच्छा है, क्यूट है. तू ही पहना दे. Guys, this is so pretty.
ढीला चाहिए कि टाइट?
कुछ भी चलेगा.
ढीला है.
But this is so pretty, guys. सीधा कर BFF को.
ढीला. ढीला हो रहा है.
A few moments later.
I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe if you love this video, and share it with your friends so that you can also do this with your friends. And do share like a picture to me on my Instagram, and I would love to see your pictures. Bye.